Hi there, hi boys and girls, welcome back with the second puzzle. Yes, the second puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Monday, January the 24th, 2022. And I've already solved one puzzle, a 3 stars puzzle. So we have 2 puzzles left, tectonic with 4 stars and a binary one. Yes, binary puzzle number 4025. 4025. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here and O, there no. Now we have 4 O, so the rest are ones. Double one, here and O, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here and O, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here and O, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Then, and I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, and the fourth one. So this box should be an O. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O, double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Then. Let me see. Between 2 O's, 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Alright. I know between an 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, and fourth one. So this box should be an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Then we need to compare. Yes, we need to compare. This will be a difficult one. Yeah, seems that these two should be the same. Alright. How about 1 2 3? If I 1 2 3, 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this cannot be no. This should be a 1. Okay. Then. Double 1 here. Cannot compare this one. Can I compare this one? No. 01. 01. 01. This row and that row. Empty box. 1100. Empty box. 1100. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Then compare again. Double O here. double. No, I cannot compare the columns, so I need to compare the rows and 1001. Ah, this row and that row here. All right. Empty box 1100110011 empty box 00. We need to switch these two boxes again. Here we have an O here. This should be a 1. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 1. So the rest are O's. Finish in 6 minutes. Yes. A lot of comparing. Well, twice. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle. A tectonic with 4 stars. Is it really 4 stars? I do not know. We will see. So see you then. Bye bye for now.